Today, we're celebrating the brightest brains, bravest hearts, and best footballers in the world. From Nobel Prizes to the Ballon d'Or. Let's go! What is the Nobel Prize? Imagine a magic medal for the smartest, bravest, and kindest people on the planet. That's the Nobel Prize. It's given to people who invent amazing things, discover new science, write incredible stories, or work for peace. Basically, they make the world a better place. Fun twist. The prize was started by Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite, but instead of blowing things up, he wanted to reward people who help humanity. Where and when? Awarded December 10th every year. Alfred Nobel's death anniversary. Stockholm, Sweden hosts the prizes for physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and economics. The Peace Prize is given in Oslo, Norway. Winners are announced in October, then celebrated in December. 2025 Nobel Prize winners Physics: John Clark, Michel Devereux, and John Martinis. They showed quantum magic in electrical circuits. Chemistry: Susumu Kitagawa, Richard Robson, and Omar Yagi. They built materials called MOFs that can trap gases, filter pollutants, and even harvest water from the air. Medicine: Mary Brunkow, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi. They discovered how the immune system functions and autoimmune diseases. Literature: Laszlo Krasna-Horkai. He writes powerful stories that remind us art can shine hope even in dark times. Peace: Maria Corina Machado. She bravely fights for democracy and human rights in Venezuela. Economic Sciences, also known as Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences, is the last category to be added as a Nobel Prize in 1969. It has been awarded to Joel Mokyr, Philippe Aghion, and Peter Howitt. They explained how innovation drives economic growth and helps in sustainable growth. Fun facts for kids. First prizes were given in 1901. Winners get a gold medal, diploma, and cash prize. Nominations stay secret for 50 years. Mystery style. Bonus story: Ballon d'Or 2025, switching to soccer. Another award for footballers. The 2025 Ballon d'Or was handed out in Paris, France. Men's winner: Ousmane Dembélé, for amazing goals and helping PSG shine. Women's winner: Aitana Bonmatí, her third Ballon d'Or, for incredible skills and unstoppable play with Barcelona. So explorers, whether it's science, peace, art, or football, these awards show how curiosity, courage, and talent can change the world. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep exploring. Only on FactFox Weekly.